Yes, I did it. I tried to video before 9 a.m. But right now it's 8:59 a.m. for me. Sorry that my hair is not brushed and stuff. But today I'm gonna do a redo on my Puppy Place book collection. Zozos. Please do not knock those over. Okay, now it's 9 a.m. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put. How about just these to the side? Zozos is probably gonna get. Oh, yep. Naughty Zozos. I'm reading one of the Puppy Place books, and I forgot to go get it, so I'll go get it. Okay. So I'm going to do it in order, but some of these I have not looked up where they belong. So barely any of them say where one of these belong. It's Chewy and Chica, which will be the first one I would show for the. I don't know where it is. I felt like Chewy and Chica was the 17th, but then I feel like Cody is the 17th. Oh well. Maybe because Chewy and Chica is a special edition, they don't show it. Okay. Let's get started with those Puppy Place. I know that this one's the first one. This one has a little post-it because I'm reading it. This one's Goldie. This was the first one made, and the first puppy they fostered. It's the first one, like I already told you, and it's a golden retriever. I know where these, I know where most of these get their real owner, but I don't really want to spoil it. So, maybe soon I'll do it. So that's Goldie. 1 second. Come on, kitty. Wanna come in? Everyone's getting awake, and I'm kind of quiet, so I want to shut the door so you can really only hear me. Come on, kitty. I have the second one too, which is, this one was used. My mom won it. I think she won it. Or was that the new tablet? Because mine wasn't working. No, really, once my tablet wasn't working and I had to wait for 1.5 or 2.5 days, and then it'll finally turn on. That's the longest I've been without a tablet. Definitely. Well, she either won it or something like that. I don't know if she won it or not. But with that tablet, we're glad she didn't win that because my tablet actually worked. See, I'm still videoing with it. Here's its case. See, I'm still videoing with it. that's the case. Sorry if stuff gets in the way. Okay, that was easy to put back on. But Snowball, is the second one. He is a, does it say? It probably says it when Lizzie, one of the characters, sees the dog. I've read this one before as a library book, so it's not really being, I'm not really spoiling it. Here, I'm gonna skip on to the but what breed is the puppy, Lizzie asked. Okay. Oh, it's some sort of terrier, or I don't know how to say their names. We used to call Logan British, but now I may be British, just a little bit. But Lizzie doesn't like little dogs, she likes big dogs. That's kind of the same with me. Besides, if it's like rowdy little dogs, I like them because they're so rowdy. And if they're like really, if they have lots of energy, I like to run around with them. That's what I like to do with dogs and big dogs. My dad loves big dogs too, but my mom wants a little dog. I didn't know which one we should get. We haven't had. No, I think Lady and Thomas, which was our old dog, was a medium-sized dog, or small, or large. I don't know. As Charles says, white and fluffy, sounds great, Charles said. Well, it's probably really cute. Right, and yappy too, said Lizzie. Good, you're taking it to the vet. Zilzils, why are you smelling the butt? Zilzils, your nose is wet or you're licking it, and now you're getting the book wet. Oh, that does smell good. So the man says, not the dad, the man says that he's a good boy. And Charles yells, "It's a boy!" A West Highland White Terrier, or something like that. Okay. So now that we know what Snowball is, we can move on to the next one. Now, I do not have Shadow, which is the only black lab, so I can't show him. That's one of the books maybe Grandma, you can get me. Daddy, you can get me. Mommy doesn't watch videos on my tablet, on her phone, so, but my daddy can tell her. I wonder if she still has enough money to do that. Wait, no. She might be saving more up. Because over summer break, which is in a few weeks or days, we're gonna have summer break and we're doing 3 really fun things. We can go swimming, we're going to Great Wolf Lodge, and we're going to Holiday World with my friend Charlie. So, that might cost money. Was that my pinky that popped on that one? On the first one? I think it was this finger and my pinky finger that popped. But if they still have a little extra money, or a lot extra money, because we also need some on food, yeah, Shadow will be on. Oh, wait, I read Shadow as a library book. Do not mind that Pecky. It's the stupid bird I named Rascal, because he's a rascal, and he's a red bird. Where is he? He's trying to get away from the camera. Usually he pecks on this window, so I'll just show you this window. Oh, he flew away. He does not want to be on camera. But, I named him Rascal because he was red, and he is a rascal. So, but I'm pretty sure my grandma will give me Shadow. But I read Shadow as a library book, so what I have about you is that he's a black lab. His name is Shadow. What else did I show you guys for Goldie? He's a puppy. Okay. Now, why I thought of the name Rascal is because I got it from this one. This puppy place named Rascal. Wait. The thing is, though, that you'll see on the next one, but he has books on the back, like really. And then when you see the next one, what you can see is Buddy. There's Shadow. It's Buddy. And you can see that Buddy doesn't have the books on the back. It's really the older ones that have books on the back. Not even Maggie and Max has books on the back. But Rascal is a... Yeah, I knew he was a terrier. Sorry if I say this wrong. Russell Terrier. And Rascal, his name fits him well. He had to go to puppy kindergarten. His name is Rascal. He's a Russell Terrier. He's bad. He's the 4th puppy place. He is the 4th puppy place name. Not first puppy place. The 4th puppy place name. 4th puppy place book. Not the 4th I got. This is going in order from first to second of last, because I do not have the last one, which is Edward. He's like the 59th. Not 59th, 49th. Sorry. And then there's Spirit for the 5th, Louie for the 4th, the 51st, Louie for the 54th, And soon that should be turning to 9:17 because it just turned to 15 minutes. Oh, there it goes. I forget what I was saying. Oh well. I get off track a lot. But look, Buddy doesn't have books on the back, which is the next one. He's the 5th one. Maybe. Oh, what's your, oh, you see and hear Rascal, don't you? This red bird sometimes annoys me when I'm trying to read, when I'm trying to write, and when I'm trying to do a video. He won't want to be on camera. He always lets me, Jada, and Godzilla see him. Buddy is the 5th one made. He was actually the runt of the, sorry if I'm not saying it right. It's either rent or runt. Some people say it as runt. Some people, like little people, say it's rent. Runt, rent, runt, rent. Oh, let's see how it was spelled. Wow! It's already chapter 6 when they first get them. Wait, no, not when they very first get them. Anyways, he was a runt or rent of the litter. No, we'll come back. Yeah, that's Buddy. He's the 5th one. I feel like I said 3 things on, Goldie, but I can't remember them. Oh my gosh. All the pages are like a whitish, while poor Snowball is like a dark tan. Okay, I can really use a good meal right now. I did not have Flash, so, I've read him though. I don't know if I read all of it though. But he's the 6th one. I forget what kind of dog he was. I'm pretty sure he was like a Cocker Spaniel. Or however you say that. I'm not good at... I only know German Shepherd, Black and Lab, and Golden Retriever. What do you call those? Tan Labs? Tan Labs, White Labs, whatever. I know how to do Pomeranian, I think. I don't know. I know how to do... What is Molly? I forget. Rottweiler. I think I know how to say Rottweiler pretty good. Maybe not. So, instead of doing Flash, since I don't have him, I have to do the German Shepherd Scout. Scout, I really want to read, but I haven't read him yet. He's like one of the last ones I have to read because I like to read in order. But really, Scout, look at him. Oh. Well, when I said I liked really like energy, fast little dogs, that's not always true. Because when I'm tired and want to pet a dog and stuff, then that's kind of also what the dog I like. Like I'll say Bear, my oh, wow! I just saw birds that flew like the Flash in my backyard. Zozo's head went like, And then she saw another one. But really, those were fast. 21 a.m., 20 a.m. This is the 7th one, German Shepherd, and his name is Scout. I love him. Lizzie will definitely love him because he's a German Shepherd. A gentle German Shepherd. Sometimes Hank's a gentle German Shepherd. But that's really when he's calm. Ever since Abby was out, when we would pet him, like when he's in his cage, when we pet Abby, he will always growl. Unless he's out playing in the living room, he will growl. Only when he's in the living room playing with us, then he will not growl. But like behind the room we pet them, and in the cages we put him in, it's like soon he'll bark if you don't stop petting Gabby. But sometimes he just is like, oh my gosh, he won't listen to me. Patches. Was it like that? Oh, okay, I just got them mixed up, right? Yeah, I got them mixed up. But that's Scout. I did not, wait, no. Right after Scout is, okay, never mind. Patches is the 8th one. Scout was the 7th one. He's a beagle, right? Yep, a beagle. I really couldn't wait to read him, but I read him already. I couldn't wait to read him because, like, look at that really cute beagle. So cute. But I did read them. I love it. Now the next one I do not have. Patches is a beagle. Really cute. 8th one made. And 8th one made. And I think that's it. Right? Beagle. 8th one made. Really cute. 8th one made. Beagle. I don't know. My lips hurt. I need some chapstick. I wish I had chapstick. This one's really cute. I did not have Noodle, which is the 9th one. I forget which one Noodle was. I think he was a mixed breed. Here. What was Bubbles and Boo? Because he was, I forget what Bubbles was. No, he wasn't a poodle. He wasn't a poodle. He was a poodle mix. I don't know why I have. Okay, I guess it is a poodle. But I thought it was like a mixed breed of a poodle and something. Oh well. Maybe that was a different one. So Maggie and Max, the camera down. Maggie and Max is very cute because that's a kitty and a puppy, and the puppy's really cute. Max is a kitten and Maggie is a dog. I forget what Maggie was. I'm pretty sure it was like a Saint Bernard. Now I don't really want to read this one. No, that's chapter 2. Wait, no, I do need chapter. Oh, this is chapter 3. That is a huge puppy. Aww. So, their mom, Charles and Lizzie and Bean's mom, is more of a cat lover. Right before chapter 2, Miss Dobbins, I think that's how you say her last name, or so she's the Caring Paws. Yeah, I think it was Caring Paws keeper for all the pets that you can get. Lizzie's a volunteer to help. So Miss Dobbins said, "Keep looking," said Miss Dobbins. "Oh my," Mom said suddenly, "there's a kitten in there too." She loves kittens, and it is a Saint Bernard. Well, however you say it, don't judge me. Oh, the kitten and puppy is cute, so they must be happy. I bet throughout the story, all what the mom's gonna do is be holding the kitten, petting the kitten, feeding the kitten, giving the kitten water, cleaning the kitten's litter box, and doing all those stuff. Now, what? Doesn't say which one is next, but the 10th, the 11th is Princess. I don't know. Sorry, I don't know what this one is. Princess Maggie and Max, Cody, Honey. It'll probably have it in here. Goldie, Snowball, Shadow, Rascal, Buddy, Flash, Scout, Patches, Pugsley, Maggie and Max, Noodle, Princess, Cody, then Bear. Yes, I knew it, right? Okay. Because when I said right after was Noodle, it was actually Pugsley was the 9th, then Maggie and Max, then Noodle, and then Princess, which I do not have, and then Cody. Yes. Princess, Cody, then Bear. So I need to show Cody first. Cody's a Dalmatian. His name's Cody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. He's a 13th maid. he's a 13th maid, and if he's a 13th maid, his name's Cody. He's a Dalmatian. That's the three things. Cody, Dalmatian, and then the whatever thing they are. Okay. That's Cody. He looks very cute. I haven't read him yet. Next is Bear. Bear. Yep, I knew it. Lizzie smiled as she watched a fluffy puppy bounced down the stairs and ran straight for the van. Look, she said, it's a husky. Yep, there's a husky. I've always wanted a husky. They're so cute. If you look at pictures of them, they're like so cute. So, husky 14th maid, right? 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, 14th maid. Name is Bear and it's a husky. Right after. What's right after? Honey, Lab, which I do not have. Then Lucky. Ooh, Lucky I have. I have Lucky. Okay. Lucky is a... They may not say it in this one. Actually, maybe Charles will say it because Lizzie always says it. Says the breed. Oh, I know. It took them forever to catch it. I don't know what breed it is. It's the 14th, 15th, 17th. No, 16th, sorry. Because that's the 14th, 15th, 16th. 16th maid. His name is Lucky, and he's the 16th maid. I have no idea what the breed is. Yeah, I guess it's Coco. Wait. Books on the back. Next is Jack, which I do not have him. Ooh, perfect. No, it's Baxter, then Jack, which I do not have neither of them. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Coco's like the 20th maid. But before it, wait, 14th, 15th, 14th. Okay, this is getting me confused. 18th maid is Chewy and Chica. Chewy and Chica is 18th maid. It's a special edition because it has 130 pages. But it says it's special because it has 100 pages. But instead it has like, 131. 132. Yeah, 132 pages. And special edition, it's a Chihuahua, and their name's Chewy and Chica. Yeah. Coco. chocolate lab. Okay, for a second I thought the only lab they had was honey. Until I remember that there was a black lab, a chocolate lab. Let's see what other. I'm pretty sure chocolate labs were the rowdiest. Yeah. Bandit was the very first one I read. He had the same thing my dog Sadie did. Besides, what is that? Hold on, guys. What was that? It looked like a gigantic rat. Not in that neighbor's house, but in that neighbor's house, which I can see their house exactly. Sometimes I see wild cats in there, but this one did not look like a wild cat. It looked like a cat, then it looked like a pig, then it looked like a gigantic rat. But anyways, I'm pretty sure Coco was a 20th maid. And one of those are dead. She's a lab. And named Coco and is a lab. Chocolate lab. Wait. Okay. Next one. Oh, is this the one that, yeah. I don't know how she got into this, but Abby chewed it up. And probably ate it. Hopefully not. That's why this one, Teddy, is one of my specialist ones. He's a Pomeranian. Pom-poms. An orange Pomeranian. See, the puppies' faces look really realistic, but then when you look around, like, at the puppy's end, it's not that realistic. But for everything, most of her books, I think they're real puppies. But then I look at the other stuff and they're not. Oh, Mocha. Mocha's very cute. What was Mocha again? A Bernese Mountain Dog. Forget which one this is. I don't know. But I know it's in the 20s. No, Rocky is in the 20s. I know that. But I'm not going to do it because I feel like this is just mixing them up, really. So I'll just take these ones out. I feel like the rest are good. And they're okay. Mocha. Bernese Mountain Dog. Name is Mocha. We do not know what one this is made from or whatever. Oscar, very cute. My grandma got me this. I just realized I've been forgetting to tell who got me these. First, wait. Most of these, my grandma got me. Oscar, very cute. A Schnauzer. Schnauzer. I don't know how to say their name. I kind of make fun of them though. Schnauzer. I don't know. But his name is Oscar. Don't know what thing it is. Molly Rottweiler. Charles never been scared of a foster pup before. Molly's actually a very sweet puppy. Like, really. So, like, she saved the Bean, which is their brother, because he was falling down and about to get wet in a pond. Molly rolled down, quickly laid down, and then the Bean just bumped into her, and they were all safe. What was another thing? Oh, she helped the kitten. She helped kittens. She helped this mama kitten find a safe place for the baby kittens. And so Molly was a great puppy. She's a Rottweiler though. Gizmo. People think he's ugly though. I feel like he's cute. A Sheltie puppy with a lot of energy. Okay. Gizmo is so cute though to me. That's Gizmo. A Sheltie puppy named Gizmo. I'm just gonna have to quickly go through this because this is already 42 minutes. Zipper. Cooper. Boomer. Very cute. Gus. It was him, right? A Labradoodle. That's what I thought that one was. Bubbles and Boo. Sugar Gummy and Lollipop, which is my very first and my very only hardback. Nala. Benita. I finally know how to say her name because my mom told me, because she has a friend named Benita. Benita. I like that name, Benita. Champ. German Shepherd. Black one with a little white right there. Bubbles and Boo with a bunny and a dog. Very cute. Lola. Lola was one of them I wanted. It was Lola and Stella, which I have both. Wasn't it? Yeah. Lola and Stella, which I want both, but I have them now. And now I really want... What's its name? Oh. Lucy and Liberty. Lola. Angel. Cute. Jake. Something happened to Jake. Oh, yeah. I pulled the book out far too much. And I was like cracking. And I feel like one of the pages are going to fall out. Well. Now, it's kind of cheating because I'm leaning up on the blanket. But they've really not gone up that high before. Or have they? Bitsy. Then we all know Chewy and Chica and Rocky and Stella and Daisy. Let's see if I can even put these back. Okay, I can't. I feel like they're just gonna fall out of my hands. So I'll put these back very soon. I used to sleep with them. Like, when I did my very first Puppy Place book collection, I didn't know where to put them. So instead I just moved them to the side and slept with them. Right now I'm just going to put them over here because I don't know what to do with them. Hey! Okay, there we go. So that's it on the Puppy Place book collection. If you enjoyed seeing my Puppy Place books, or if you have one of the Puppy Place books, or if, like, let's say, if, like, you're my grandma, or my mom, or my dad, or anyone like that that got me the Puppy Place books, please like it. So, 3 reasons to give me likes. So, also like if you think it was a long time since I've made a video. Like I tried to make a video yesterday once or twice, but that didn't go so well. Because I got so tired and stuff like that and all that stuff. It's really because I'm itchy a lot now. And it's really because of nothing. Whoa, what happened right there? I guess I aged that too much. Where is it? I'll tap it. Do you guys see that? Well, you probably don't see it, but it's like something split it open or something like that. So leave a like if it's been a long time. 4 reasons. Because I'm really itchy. I have the cough a lot, and I don't know what to video about, and we're kind of busy. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Good.